So let's say you were editing this 10-minute video on Adobe Premiere and you found just the perfect soundtrack for it, but it was barely 5-6 minutes. Did you know that Adobe Audition can extend that track with just a few clicks? Let me show you how. Let's open a sample file here. This file is 2 minutes 6 seconds long. I want to extend that. Right click, insert into multi-track, new multi-track session. Now you scroll down to find the remix panel. Click enable remix. There we go. Now the target duration, let's say I want it 6 minutes. Enter. And just like that, it extended the track to 6 minutes 14 seconds. It is not always 100% accurate, but it does a very good job. As you can see here, these stitching points where it stitched the track. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.